Hey guys, it's Julie. How are you doing today? I'm on my dreaded journey to the evil grocery store. It's not exactly what I had in mind, but when you live out in the boonies in the middle of nowhere, you gotta have supplies. Anyway, today I just wanted to talk to you about investing in yourself. Now, as you know, I'm an entrepreneur. I have an online business. Actually, I have more than one. But the one that I'm discussing today is Easy1up. Now, if you're unfamiliar with it, our CEO, Peter Wolfing, has actually written a couple of books, and he's actually coming out with a new book, and he also did it in collaboration with Richard Branson. He is involved in a book with Richard Branson. And I don't know the title, don't ask me, because I didn't actually think to look about that before I hopped on here. But he's done some other books too. And the thing about this program is it's digital marketing, right? Digital marketing means that it's all electronic products. It's nothing physical. It's nothing that you have to actually buy and have a replenishment or ship anything. I mean, it's you go to a website and there's several packages that you can choose from. It starts at $25. It goes to $100, $250, $500, and $1,000. There is one for $2,000, but I don't really know much about it because I've only invested into the $1,000 product myself. So when you buy this product, you actually now have the license to resell the product. And once you pick your package, you are going to pay a 10% fee to the company. And this helps with all their admin fees, keeping up the website, providing updates to us in the education programs that they have. I mean, they have to stay on top of everything because things change all the time. So that 10% goes to them, and then whatever package that you are licensed at, you earn 100% commission on that actual package. So you resell that. So if you had, say you did the $100 package, right? You would pay $10 to the company, and if somebody bought that package from you, then you would actually make $100. And that's how that goes. And you can have it paid directly to you through one of the payment platforms, or they can even send a check, FedEx, UPS, all kinds of different stuff, right? So this is something that if you're starting in online marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing, all these different things, even Amazon drop shipping, this program will teach you all about that. And if you're in something with an MLM that you need further education to enhance your business, then you can actually get the education and training that you need to succeed. And then not only that, but you'll also have the reseller rights to sell the education onto other people that may need that on the team that you're building. So and it's a win-win situation either way you look at it. And in today's world, we're not in that, we're in the technology world right now. We used to be in the industrial world. I know what that was about. I was in that era myself, but that's not really here anymore. So, hey Kimberly, how are you? Thanks for hopping on. If you want to let me know where you're coming in from, that would be awesome, because I would like to see who I am reaching with my video. And then if you catch the replay, you just put hashtag replay in there for me so I know that you were able to see the video later on. Then if you would like more information, feel free to message me. I'm here to answer questions. And I want to make sure that this is something that's a good fit for you. I don't want to just try and sell something to someone and then they're not going to, reap benefits from it. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to help. And we do have a team group that if you would be interested in just joining that group, I can add you in there. And you can see if this is something that is really going to be beneficial for you down the road, and see who we are, what we do, what we're about before you make a decision to actually buy something. So it's just up to you guys. We want to make this process simple. We want it to be valuable for you, and we're not here just to shove sales and have people buy something and then we never see them again. That's not what we're about here. So, okay, well, I'm going to let you go. I'm heading to the grocery store. Yay! Not really, but gotta be done. All right, have a great Sunday, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.